mo na
Request
ako.
your password, ma'am.
Tulungan mo
Can
na
I
ako.
request?
Tumahimik ka. Hindi na
Sir
ako
Nix.
sasali.
Okay. Buddy Supreme, can you please hold him for a while? Can you please hold him, okay? I mean hold her. Okay. Okay, get in, ma'am. Ma'am Samantha, get in. Here. Ma'am Samantha. See, sir? See? She's disrespecting us, sir. Disobeying an officer. There you go. Sir, ah, I'm with Supreme, sir. Supreme Montana. We're in HP, sir. And this Ma'am Samantha have weapons. Weapons na he got weapons, and then I said, lower your weapons, ma'am. And she said, la 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 la. Huh? Ah, we're just in HP, sir, because we just need to, you know, spend time to duty. Not, no, sir, no.
Oy, you need vested officer to get out of PD.
Then why you, if I'm not bested, you will disrespect me.
Are you sure that I was disrespecting you? Listen to me.
Yeah, you said la 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 la. What do you mean by
Uy,
that?
keep quiet.
I
I
said,
was talking to
Sir Nix,
quiet.
listen,
Listen to
Sir
me
Nix.
first. Please
I said,
not making me
okay,
explain.
you first.
I was with I was at the melee and then I spawned at HP and I saw Raijin and Adrian and they were and I dropped the macros my macros before to put down the gun while inside the HP before meds and pills are given, and then they said la Ma'am Sam is is holding a gun inside the HP, and that's why I said la. I was not even talking to you.
No, ma'am. This is my
Oh yes, I
scenario.
did see that, but I that doesn't
Okay,
mean I'm
Sir
talking to
Nix.
you.
I'm with Supreme. And I said, Ma'am Samantha, can you load down your weapons? Then he said to us, then la 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 la. What do you mean by that?
I
Is
was
that
not talking.
good for officer talking to you?
Do you think I was talking to you just because I
Then
said it right after you? I was not even talking to you. I was talking to my friends.
then
And
don't
first of
talk to
all,
your
you
friend when
cannot.
you're talking to an officer, okay?
I was not talking to the PD officers at all when I entered
No,
the
why? No,
oh,
you need to talk to
I need
us
to talk
because
to
you need
you.
to comply.
Yeah, that's why I put down my rifle and then I switched to my ano. And first of all, you cannot get out of the PD without a vested officer.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, Sir Nix. Okay. Sorry, Ma'am Samantha. Okay. Okay, yeah. I will send the body cam to Sir G. Then he will okay. He will decide. Okay. My bad. Okay.
Hello, I want to join the police. How are you? I want to join the police, sir. Can you do interview, sir, for me? Sir, I want to join the police. Bro, I want to join the police, sir. I want to join the police. Okay, sir, copy.